Part 2 right here. It's Renegade. Can't get no fades. Don't nobody want her. She's skinny and woe out. Hey, kangaroo patch, man. We big chilling on the porch, man. Another beautiful day. Kids walking and shit. She's standing out here trying to get it in. Acting like she's talking on the phone. It's crazy. It's what they do. This is their job. But she need to sell so bad. Oh shit. Hey, man, she need to sell so bad. Look, she speaking to niggas and shit. Ain't even nobody said nothing to her. Talking about some high baby. God damn. Ooh-wee. I got another one right there. Hey, fuck you. Don't fucking put your middle finger up, bitch. You walking past my house. Fuck out of here, you fucking tramp. Slap your ass. No fake ass. Hey, didn't nothing happen? Fake ass cat stacks gonna put up the middle finger.
What you saying, fuck like this?
Not her, the light skin one. The bullshit cat stacks. Ain't nobody talking to you. You good? I'm talking about her. She wanna put up the middle finger. Bitch, you walking in front of my house.
What, Richard?
Cat stacks, the skinny fake nothing, man. Fucking tramp, bitch. Hey, alright, bitch get slapped. Oh yeah, okay, bitch get slapped. Right, we're all on camera. We signing out.